Hi, my name is Gail O'Connell, Part 2. I worked at the post office for about 26 years, and I did FLSM, the letter systems machine. The letters would come in and be sorted through by zip codes. They'd go. They'd be sorted by the zip codes. I'd take them. That was a long time, for about 8 years, 2 years, and then I'd transfer to BidJob, the letter clerk person in East Peoria, for about 2 to 3 years. I liked that, but it was all night. But it was very difficult for my sleep schedule. I didn't get enough sleep. Never enough. It was toss. I would sometimes get good sleep, sometimes I would not. I went back to working in the afternoons and in the LSM machine, the letter systems machine, for about 2 years, and then they had better weekends. Right now, LSM systems machine is a big letter machine that sorts out through letters automatically. For about some years, I transferred over to automatic for about 2 to 3 years. Now, I like things, but the one thing I didn't like was my boss. He was bad. A long time ago, he was cool, he was fine. I really enjoyed working there. I will never enjoy working there anymore. He was mean. The communication was hard. The workers there didn't know. They would write down things. Some people I understood. Depending on the lip reading, I'd understand. Some of them, it just varied. I didn't understand. They would write down everything back and forth, and some of them learned sign, but two of the three of them did learn sign, and I'd sit there and they were really slow at learning the alphabet and how to communicate. They'd have to really sit there and think about it. It was a real annoyance writing back and forth. Just write to me, it's better, and I understand it. My boss would communicate with me, and I'd look at him, and it'd go in one ear and out the other. Sometimes it just didn't matter. And my boss would be a big pain in my neck, and I'd say, too bad. And the union would help me out a lot.